Hey YouTube, welcome to the April edition of the Beekeeper's Buzz for the Southeast. Right now, spring is in full swing and your hives are kicking into overdrive. So let's talk about what to keep an eye out on this month. First up, swarm season. Your bees are probably booming and they could be thinking about moving out. So watch for swarm cells, make sure they have enough space. If things are getting too crowded, now's the time to either add a box or think about making a split. While you're in the hive, keep inspections quick but intentional. Look for solid brood patterns, fresh eggs, and a strong queen. If she's not performing, April's a great time to requeen. Keep an eye out for pests too. Small hive beetles can start showing up this time of year if you don't already have them. With nectar coming in, it's also time to super up. Add honey supers before the bees need them. If you use a queen excluder, it's time to get it in place now. Don't forget to check mites. Even in spring, Varroa can be sneaky. So do a sugar roll or an alcohol wash and only treat if your levels are high. Lastly, check food stores. If your bees are light after a cold snap, feed as needed. Otherwise, let them fly. And if you're thinking about growing an apiary, this is the perfect time to start new packages or nukes. That's your April Buzz. Stay ahead of the bees, enjoy the season, and happy beekeeping.